Hello, everyone. My name is Ingrid Vargas, and in this video, I am going to talk about the second lesson. One primer, I going to talk about three words. They are often mispronounced and municipal. The words are quick, quiet, and quiet. You can see they are similarity and spelling, and of course the second and sound is very similar, but this is where the meanings and very pronunciation difference. So we have to be careful on what to pronounce. Then of the word was with spelling and quit and the confusion for the students and quiet and quiet for similarity is the worried and speaking. Okay, the pronunciation, the first word is quick. So quick of course means stop joke or and you stop shouting or sometimes habits on so for routine. For example, um she quit her wearing. Uh, I quit smoking. I quit the burger. One, I quit the joke. Okay. The second word is the quiet. Is the quiet is no quiet or is called be quiet. Don't make a noise on this love one quiet. No quiet is a confusion. One know this word is used for emphasizing. Another word is emphasis word and is usually means very okay. For example, Camila is quite pretty. The word is emphasizing is pretty. So means is she's pretty or she's very pretty. Okay. Um, the the 1 second is quiet. Um, the dog is very quiet. Is the adjective of the quality is a person or this creation the person, or for example the children is quiet in the classroom or not quiet in the house is the relative of the quality. Okay, the second lesson is the pronunciation, the received, mortgage, and debt. Okay, so the first word is received, and what is received, of course, when you shopping to be sometimes you have to spend money on the clear will give you are received. For example, um, he have received of his shoe. He have received of the clothes, umbrella, different outfits. Excuse me. Okay. The second word is mortgage. Not maybe you want to buy and how good you have a money, okay? So you have to go to the banks and you ask the bank for a loan and the bank says your heart alone no you can be a house so the bank alone to buy the house that is called a mortgage. I read if the goal is a presentation of for example one example I am mortgage my part or I am mortgage my house or I am mortgage my department. See? Yes, excuse me. Okay, the last word is we're going to talk about is depth. Depth that's very bad then because when you admit I want you money or when you money your friends you maybe or to family where you parent consists or your family mister is you do not have money. For example, Sarah I are debt the money your family or I am debt money my friends. Is clear? Repeat receive is never pay. In mortgage never T. Use debt never be. Okay. Thank you for your is correct use example. Thank you.